Your eyes are burning, and your head is pounding after 8 long hours of staring at a glowing rectangle. That specific brand of exhaustion makes you vulnerable. You see a flashy ad for these glasses. They look sleek. They promise to fix everything. Maybe they even claim to sharpen your vision or magically erase the strain of a long workday. This is where we need to stop and look much closer at what is actually happening with a brand like Besyner. It sounds like a dream, but the reality sitting behind that polished website is much messier than the marketing suggests. When you dig into the actual data, the trust ratings for their site are tanking. We are talking about red flags all over the place. People are handing over their hard-earned money and then nothing. They wait weeks. They wait months. The shipping delays are legendary in the worst possible way. When the package finally arrives, if it actually arrives, the quality is often a massive disappointment. We are talking about flimsy frames that feel like they came out of a toy box. But the real sting comes later. Some users are reporting strange, recurring charges on their credit cards. It turns out there might be hidden memberships tucked away in the fine print. You thought you were buying a one-time solution, but you ended up with a monthly financial headache. Now, let's talk about the science, or rather, the lack of it. The company makes big claims about ergonomic frames and special lenses. Some people do say they feel a tiny bit of relief. But there is zero independent proof that these specific glasses do anything special for the average person. Most of the time, it is just a standard tint you could get anywhere, usually for much cheaper, and from a place that actually answers their customer service emails. If you're desperate for relief, you have to be smart. Check the return policy before you click that buy button. Use a payment method that has your back if things go south. There are so many reputable eyewear brands that have been around for decades. They have actual physical stores. They have real doctors on staff. Why risk your money on a gamble? It is tempting to believe in a quick fix for digital fatigue. We all want that. But your eyes are too important to trust to a company with a low trust score and a history of ghosting customers. Take a breath. Look away from the screen for a minute and do your homework. These flashy online ads are designed to catch you when you are tired. They want your impulse buy. They do not want you looking at third-party reviews. They do not want you seeing the complaints about broken hinges and plastic lenses that scratch if you look at them wrong. Stick to what is proven. Stick to brands that do not hide behind shady subscription models. Your wallet will thank you. It is about being a conscious consumer in an era where everyone is trying to sell you a miracle. Don't fall for the hype. Research the sellers. Look for the fine print. If it seems too good to be true, it usually is, especially when it comes to your health. You have to ask why a company needs to hide their true ratings. If the product was truly revolutionary, the reviews would speak for themselves. Instead, we see a trail of frustrated buyers and empty promises. Protect your vision by going to an actual professional. Talk to an optometrist who can give you real medical advice. Do not let a social media ad dictate your eye health. Stay vigilant. Stay skeptical. And always, check the feedback before you share your credit card details.